I was sitting on the floor of my bedroom, crying. Not the quiet kind of crying, the kind where your chest hurts and breathing feels impossible. But the worst part was the phone in front of my face, recording everything. My mom was filming me. "Mom, please stop," I whispered. "Don't record this." She didn't lower the phone. Instead, she stepped closer. "Just a little more," she said. "This will get a lot of views." That sentence shattered something inside me, because in that moment, my pain didn't matter. Only the video did. The next morning, that video had 5 million views. 5 million strangers watched me cry. And that was the moment I realized something terrifying. My mom hadn't just been recording my life. She had turned it into content. But to understand how it got that bad, I need to start at the beginning.
My name is Aisha. I grew up in a small town in India. Life there was simple. Dusty streets, tiny houses, neighbors who knew everything about everyone. But we were poor, very poor. My mom raised me alone. She worked long hours at a clothing shop. And she talked about money constantly. "Every rupee matters," she would say. "Smart people know how to turn small opportunities into big ones." At the time, I thought she was just teaching me responsibility. I didn't realize she was planning something. Everything changed the day my mom discovered social media. She started filming small moments, me studying, us cooking dinner, talking about how hard life was. Then she posted the videos online. At first, nothing happened. 10 views, 20 views. Then, one video exploded. It was a video of me crying after failing a math test. Thousands of comments appeared. "Stay strong. She's so relatable." This made me emotional. My mom stared at the screen in silence. Then, she whispered something. "People love pain." That was the first time I felt uncomfortable. After that, the camera never left her hand. If I laughed, she filmed it. If I was tired, she filmed it. If I cried, she definitely filmed it. Sometimes she would even say, "Wait, cry again. Your face looked better the first time." At first I thought it was harmless. She was my mom. I trusted her. But slowly, the camera started to feel like a stranger living in our house. Always watching, always waiting. One evening, my mom burst into my room. Her eyes were glowing with excitement. "Aisha," she said, "pack your bags. We're moving to Mumbai." My heart jumped. Mumbai, the biggest city in the country? She showed me her phone. Hundreds of thousands of followers, brands messaging her. "This is our chance," she said. "We're going to be famous." At that moment, I believed her. I thought our life was finally getting better. I had no idea it was about to get worse. Mumbai felt overwhelming. Tall buildings, bright lights, crowded streets. And my new school was filled with rich kids, designer shoes, latest phones, perfect hair. That's where I met Nisha. She was popular, confident, everyone liked her. At first, she was nice to me. She showed me around, introduced me to her friends. For a moment, I felt like I finally belonged. But that feeling didn't last long.
One afternoon during lunch break, I heard people laughing. A group of students were staring at their phones. When I stepped closer, my heart dropped. They were watching my mom's videos. Videos of me crying. Videos of me struggling with homework. Videos of me talking about our money problems. Someone pointed at the screen. "Wait, that's her!" Another student said, "So her life is literally content." My face burned with embarrassment. I ran to the bathroom and locked the door. Then I cried harder than I ever had before. Because suddenly, I understood something. My life wasn't private anymore. It belonged to the internet. That night, I confronted my mom. "They're laughing at me," I said. "Please stop posting those videos." For a moment, she looked at me quietly. Then she picked up her phone and started recording. "Mom, stop! I'm serious!" She didn't stop. Later that night, she uploaded the video. Caption: "My daughter is being bullied, but she's strong." The video went viral. Millions of views, thousands of comments. People called me brave, but none of them knew the truth. I didn't feel brave. I felt used. At school, I stopped talking to people, stopped answering questions, stopped smiling. But one day, my teacher announced something. A drama competition. Students could perform in a short film. I signed up, not because I wanted attention, but because acting felt different. For the first time, I could control how people saw me. During rehearsals, the director watched me closely. Then he said something that surprised me. "You're a natural." When I performed an emotional scene, the entire room went silent. For the first time, people weren't watching me cry online. They were watching me perform, and it felt powerful. One night, I came home. My mom was smiling at her phone again. Another video of me crying had gone viral. Millions of views, thousands of comments praising her as a strong mother. That's when something inside me changed. If I didn't tell the truth, no one ever would.
Well, I recorded my own video. No tears, no acting, just honesty. I told the internet everything. How my mom filmed my worst moments, how she asked me to cry for views, how my life became her business. And I ended the video with one sentence. My pain was never meant to be entertainment. Then I pressed upload. The internet reacted immediately. People began questioning my mom. Followers disappeared. Brands stopped calling. For the first time in years, the camera stopped controlling my life. A few weeks later, the drama competition results were announced. The director called me personally. "I saw your video," he said, "but that's not why I'm calling. You have real talent." He offered me a small role in a television series, not because of the viral drama, because of my acting. My mom wanted millions of people to watch my life, and for a long time they did. But now something had changed. This time, people weren't watching my pain, they were watching my strength. And for the first time in my life, my story finally belonged to me.